Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be replacing the stock photon wheels on the Model 3 with these wheel covers from EV-Base. Let's see what's inside. EV-Base was nice enough to send this over to me to try out and give you my honest feedback. So let's see what they look like. I believe this is what they call their Uberturbine or Uberturbine wheel covers. It's Uberturbine. Uberturbine. Not Uberteen, not Ubertine, Uberturbine. Or Uber, I could just say Uber and just call it a day. Maybe I should start reading what the page says, right? So yeah, my mistake. Let's get back to the video. And here it looks like we have the foam, which we'll see if the covers have the foam or if I have to put it on myself. I just think it's so stupid that the foam doesn't already come on the wheel covers already. I've seen many different wheel covers that you have to put this foam on, and I understand why you have to put the foam on, but why do I have to put the foam on? Why doesn't it already come with the foam on? Is there a reason why that happens? Let me know if you know the answer to that down in the comment section below. In here as well, you got these what look like black little covers from, guessing, the center cap. There's nothing on there, just black, which might be actually kind of nice. I know EV-Base also has a couple wheel covers with the Tesla logo on them, I believe they are. I think they have like a blue one, black and red. But these are nice because they are just black with nothing on them. Let's just pull one out here, see what we have. It's pretty light. They're nice matte black, which I like. I've seen some with kind of like a glossy finish to them. And apparently these are not that, so that's actually great. It's out of the way. And yeah, let me see if you can zoom in on that a little bit there. You can see that cover here. So I guess, which is so strange because on the website it said it doesn't include the middle piece, and I guess this is what they're talking about right here. I figured this would just be hollow. I guess not. So I guess that black piece just goes right on top of that. And I'm also gonna assume that those other Tesla emblem ones that the EV-Base sells just kind of go adhered right in here. And you know, you pop these right back on and pop them right off. Right here is how you do that. It's not metal, this is all plastic. And then you just kind of put them onto the wheel of the car once you take off the photon ones. I did hear that the photon ones are metal, like the little springs, the brackets that attach it to the wheel. So I've heard that those scratch the actual wheel when you pull those on and off, you know, doing your tire rotations or changing tires or whatever. So this actually might be nice to prevent that from happening. I'm just gonna go grab one of these. Yeah, so exactly. So this is what happens right there. And it has a little sticky side. And you put that just like that. So it's, yeah, it's pretty annoying that I have to put the foam on myself. I guess we'll install this foam and then install it in the car. Something that I did see on their website was that, and I don't know how true this is to spray some soapy water on the car or on the covers that are on now, and it makes it easier to pull off. Not sure if that's true or not, but it does say to like wash them and then pull them off. And I guess it makes sense. And I probably will be washing those before we put these on. One, so that way it's washed and I can take them right off, dry those, and then I can store those in case I ever want to go back to those. It'll probably be easier to wash them while they're on the car and then put those away. And then I can probably wash the actual wheel of the car once I take the covers off that are on currently. So that way it's nice and clean. Throw these on there. So I wasn't planning on doing that. I was planning on just taking them off, putting these on, calling it a day. But I think it makes sense to do that and just get that over with. All right, so here we have a wheel cover fully foamed out, and we'll continue with the other three. That's what it looks like. Here is where I started, and here's where I ended. Just a little bit of a space there, because they don't give you a roll for a reel, they give you a full roll that you just have to cut yourself, which I guess makes sense. So let's do the other three. All right, so I found this at the bottom of the box, not exactly sure what this is, so we're gonna open this up and see what we have. Oh snap, look at this. So they actually did send me the covers with the black tee on there as well. Looks like that. And grab another just black one to compare it to. So here we are. That's what they look like. Here's just black with nothing. Here's the black with the T. And yeah, I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. All right. I guess once it's on the car, I'll have a better idea of which ones I'll want to use. And they both have adhesive on the back, but check those out. They look pretty good. Nice matte black. All right, so let's keep on going. As I'm putting the foam on the wheel covers here, I'm noticing a few things. Most notably, I'm gonna show you there's different little either letters or mostly letters that I kind of want to show you here. So on this one here, you'll see that there's an L, 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 L. And there's only another one that has the L, so I'm guessing that means that this is on the left side. I noticed it on this one here, so I went back to see if the other one had it, and this one does not have anything. It doesn't have L or R. It does have this on here, which I don't really know what that says. And then over here, you'll see, let me see if I can find it on this one real quickly. Here it is. Right over here, you'll have the valve stem. So that tells you right here, that is where the valve stem will go, which is pretty quite explanatory there. And I think this one here is a little scraped up. Yeah, right there. Trying to get that to focus, hold on. Yeah, right there, you kind of see it, but it's all right. I mean, once they're on there, it'll probably get even more scraped up, so it'll be all right. But yeah, I have one more to put the foam on. We'll get out there and we will continue with the installation. All right, so we just gave these bad boys a bath. So we're gonna take these off and put the new ones on. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so one is off. Before I walk away with it, I want to show you, so you can see that here, the metal that goes right in here, that goes metal on metal, which is, not great, because over time, that should probably start, ruining that part of the tire, the wheel, having this metal on metal. So the other ones are not metal. They're plastic, so should hopefully work better. All right, I know it's not the best angle, but here is what the rim looks like underneath. It's actually pretty nice, but we are gonna cover it with this Uberturbine wheel cover. So let's put that on right now. What we need to do is we need to align, and this is one that does not have the R, or the L, I should say. So we're gonna put this on the passenger side. We're gonna line it right in here. Just like so, we'll put that. just like that. Looks to be nice and in. What do we think? I think we are gonna put the T right here. I think I made up my mind, so let's do that right now. All right, so here is the T. And take the adhesive off. Let's see if I can get this off. I love how in the installation videos, all this stuff, they make it look so easy. I can't even get my freaking hands in here. And you'd be nice to have like a little tab, just pull right here, right? But no. Like, am I an idiot or something, or what? Finally, get away from me, you freaking crap. So there we are, that's what it looks like. Let me bring it closer so you can take a look at that. Let me know what you think. So the sun is nutty today. Not the perfect day to be doing this, but that's what it looks like. I mean, perfect day to be putting these on, but not the perfect day to be filming. It's so sunny out. Looks pretty nice, I think. Yeah, we like that. So let's put the other ones on and go from there. Before I put the last one on, I'm gonna show you something. I'm not sure, I didn't really get in too deep cleaning this up here, but I don't know if these are scuffs. I'll show you this, and you see it kind of all around the rim, and you'll see it in, I mean, I saw in all the other ones too. I'm not doing a deep clean of these. I just cleaned the wheels, or I should say the tires, and then the old aero caps. And just for the sake of time right now, putting them on to show you, I will be taking these off again to clean this off. I know I should do it now, but pressed for time a little bit, so I did want to show you. This is just dirty over here, I think. But this up here, we'll see if that comes off or if that's just rubbing from the old aero rim on here. I'll show you the back of the aero rim in a little bit to show you that it doesn't have like a foam to protect that. And it does a little, it has like spacers, I guess you can call them, in between, but not the whole way around like these Uberturbine wheel caps from EV Base do. All right, guys, so here we are. We have them all installed. I put all 4 on. See if you can see that one over there, here, and as you can tell, there is a little lip that comes out on all of them. I guess now it's a little bit more flush with the tire. I can't remember exactly if the Aero, or sorry, the Photon ones that I had on here, the stock, do that as well. But when I was looking at them earlier, when I was putting them in, I'm like, oh, I don't know if they're fully in. Keep kind of push them in, but it does have a nice little lip on them. I think they look pretty damn good. What do you think? I'm gonna put a little shine on the tires right now and make them pop. And yeah, I think the T, the little logo there, was definitely the way to go. Those center caps. There is some scratching on there, but no big deal. They're probably gonna get scratched regardless. But yeah, I think they look pretty slick. All 4 are on, and we'll, like I said, do some tire shine and see what they look like then. All right, so we have it all installed. Here we are. And one thing I think is gonna be a pain in the ass is keeping these clean. So many little grooves in here with the Aero tires. You don't have that, or sorry, the Aero, the Photon. There's more surface space, so easy to get the brush in here and get these, or keep these nice and clean. With these, all the grooves, you gotta get the brush in there, and we'll see how easy it is to do that. With the Model Y that we have, we do have the Uberturbine wheels that we got when we bought the car, and those are a pain to keep clean because of all the grooves that you have to kind of get in there and to and get all up in here, you know what I mean? So we'll see how it goes. As for enhanced range, that I don't know,
because on the website it does say that it enhances the range. It just doesn't give you any numbers, if it's like 5%, 10%, no mileage or kilometers or anything like that. So who knows if there is any range enhancement. I'm not going to do a range test on it at all, but I'll let you know if I do see a noticeable difference in the range. But they look great, and I'm going to put the link down in the description below. If you have any comments or if you have any questions on these particular wheel covers from EV Base, let me know. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Any comments, questions, comments, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye.